This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the remote. Insert 2 AA batteries, making sure polarity is correct. This powers the IR transmitter. Once done, stand within a clear line to the indoor unit, about 8 to 10 meters or closer. Press the power button and immediately choose mode to toggle between cool, heat, dry, or fan. This sets the basic system behavior. Make sure the remote screen shows the selected mode and temperature. If it doesn't, reseat the batteries and try again. Next, fine-tune how the air moves and the system responds. Use the temperature and buttons to change set point in 0. 5-degree steps. Selecting 22 to 24 degrees is efficient and comfortable. Then pick fan speed. Auto lets the unit decide, while low, medium, high, and turbo control intensity. Once the fan is set, use swing and vane controls to angle airflow. Fixing the vane keeps a steady stream, while oscillation spreads air across the room. Finish by programming convenience functions. Set the timer or sleep mode to save energy and automate operation. Press clock or timer to enter times. Activate energy saver or smart settings if available to optimize consumption. Make sure the display confirms your final settings before walking away. If the remote stops working, first replace batteries and test the IR LED, then ensure nothing blocks line of sight, and reset the indoor unit or repair if your model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.